So I've probably had at least 12 conversations with moms of young adults this week, and they are struggling with things like their young adult won't get a job, doesn't have motivation to leave their room, boyfriend, girlfriend issues, anxiety, depression. Parents that I've talked to are struggling with their own anxiety because they know that they are in a position of not wanting to kick their kids out, but also knowing that doing nothing is not helping the situation. So learning how to, based on your child, not on everybody else's kid, but learning how to navigate putting in the steps to get your child from their current situation, whether that's, substance use, mental health issues, getting them from where they are now, which is maybe floundering, maybe, they're stuck in some way, shape, or form, to the next step. Parents need a place of support for their anxiety and their feelings and understanding a little bit better why they've gotten to where they are in parenting this young adult. They need a plan, and every plan looks a little bit different. And there's going to be bumps in the plan. It's not going to go as smoothly probably as they want, but it's you've got to have a plan and you've got to be moving forward. When we focus on parenting, which you may be very focused on your parenting at the moment because you're thinking, I don't know what I'm doing, or I've tried everything I can, or, and it's from a negative standpoint rather than a moving forward positive standpoint. Once you get going with that, once you are like, okay, here's, we really got to process this, figure out where we are, what needs to be done next, coming up with that plan, then you get some forward traction. I can't tell you everything's going to align overnight, but I've seen parents who, when they get serious about working on their parenting and getting a plan of action together, especially when it comes to their young adult, they gain some traction because they're processing their own crap and freeing up the mental space to be the parent their kid needs.